miss it. It's just the fear, that.
Yeah, it is. Look at the side of this fucking hill.
Grim day. In Morzine. Grim in it, Paul. But my mate Louie is on his way here on the plane now, so I'm going to head to Geneva Airport and pick him up.
Let's go, mate.
Alright, how are you?
Good.
How's the flight?
Oh my god. The sketchiest flight I've ever been on.
Was it?
People were screaming and that. Get in the hot seat.
Right, first things first, you need to get fuel.
Where's the dog seat?
And then you're on it. She's like, why? Who's this man on my seat? Where am I going? Might be a fuel station pretty soon. We really need to. Like, I was like, oh, I made it to the airport.
What?
and now we're like, well, at least it rolled in down here for now. As long as it just stays down here, we'll be alright. Foot down, doing nothing, mate.
Nah. You're gonna have to find the best place to pull in. There's like, we're gonna have to go back up to that restaurant up there. Fuck. On the other side of the motorway.
How can it be so fucking...
Is that fuel sign?
A fucking fuel station sign! Does that say...
Don't say 20.
2 kilometres?
No. 22.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What? 22 kilometres. Oh. That one says 3.
3 kilometres? Yeah?
Yeah.
3 kilometres!
Roll.
Yes, thank fuck.
Roll.
Shame we didn't get there.
45 minutes there and back. There and back? Each way, you mean?
No, there and back, I reckon.
Nah.
Oh. Okay, so we just go then.
Yeah.
Back to Morzine.
It is full on Christmas. There's Christmas trees everywhere.
It's just like this all the time. Christmas. Who is it, Pooh? Is it your dad? Oh, we've certainly got the weather for it.
It's hot in here. Some knots there. I was like, oh shit.
Mind your cock.
Yeah, thought that. I might as well fucking go with it. Like, if I try and stop, I'm gonna fall over, so I might as well just carry on. Fucking handbrake turn.
You're doing well, man. There's something wrong with that binding, I think. It shouldn't pop out like that. Was it in properly, or is it a bit weak?
No, it was in properly. I was fucking moaning that, mate.
Fucking right you were. I was like, shit, he's off.
It's fun though.
That was good.
Alright, gonna do the same to the
You're right. The one place. Are you both alright? Any pain? Well, at least nobody's hurt. Do you feel okay?
Are you okay? Did you see what happened? I just fucking face down like. Are you okay? Do you feel faint or anything?
Just everything's spinning a
Is there any pain at all?
bit. No.
There's someone coming here to meet you?
Yeah, my husband.
Okay.
Wish it was flat where you fell. What's that?
I'm feeling it too.
Yeah, you will. Of course you will be.
Yeah,
Cheers.
should.
Right.
Cheers, man. See ya.
Skidding sideways across the floor.
Look, mate, it was like a bomb went off. There's just shit went everywhere.
I'm fine, lad.
Right, let's go because my ass is breathing.
Watch out.
Louie's left this morning, got on the plane, gone back home to North Wales. We've had sick time, been a bit heavy in places, a little bit of a injury, so not too much skiing going on halfway through the week, but now I've got to tidy this place because it is a mess. It's not that Louie's messy, it's just generally got a mess in here, so I mean, too large small space is going to get messy in it in more than one way. One more coffee. Just discovered Louie's left me a bit of cash. Cheers, mate. Don't usually charge them services, but appreciate the gesture. Well, that's better. Hello. That's better. So now I'm going to be getting back to the ebook, and I will be bringing out videos every week again soon. Just writing a lot at the moment. See you guys soon.
No, just fucking nuts. What's behind there?
Not lost your iPhone when you fell down there, have you?
Any number of falls in there.